Hey guys, welcome back to DevPremier. This is tech news time. So the hot news is for Laravel developers. A new Laravel Cashier package is out. Its name is Laravel Cashier Molly version 1. Laravel Cashier for Molly is the first party Laravel Cashier package created and maintained by Sander Van Hoof, which provides an expressive, fluent interface to subscriptions using Molly billing services. This is a European service, so they are saying this package is massive win for working with European customers. So if you are a Laravel developer and your customers are from Europe and they want to use some kind of cashier services in the Laravel, so you can use this package. Its link is here. This is the GitHub link. So this is the package on the GitHub, github.com Laravel and slash cashier dash molly. So you can find out this on the GitHub. It looks very interesting package. They have also created very nice documentation in the GitHub page. So this is how you can use this package in the Laravel. You just have to use Composer and then require, and this is the package name and version. This is the first version, and this is the setup that you can use in the Laravel to use that package. It looks very easy and interesting for me as I am a Laravel developer. So I am definitely gonna use this package for my European customers. So this is it for today. Please subscribe to this channel for next tech news. Thanks for watching.